Welcome to Healthy Habits. We are so glad you found us. Here at Healthy Habits, we are dedicated to helping you live your healthiest and happiest life. Our channel is all about sharing practical tips and advice for improving your nutrition, staying active, and maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Whether you're looking to lose weight, boost your energy levels, or just feel better overall, we've got you covered. Our team of experts will provide you with the latest research and recommendations for living a healthier life. So join us on this journey to better health and wellness. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all of our latest videos. We can't wait to share our healthy habits with you.
How your gut controls your mood. The gut and the brain are connected through a complex network of nerve cells, hormones, and signaling molecules, collectively known as the gut-brain axis. This axis is responsible for the bidirectional communication between the gut and the brain, which allows them to influence each other's function and behavior. Your intestines have about 39 trillion microorganisms in it. We call this collection of organisms the microbiome, and it consists mostly of bacteria, but it also contains viruses and fungi. We feed these organisms, and they produce chemicals that we need. They send messages to the brain through the vagus nerve. The gut and the brain are connected through several pathways, including the vagus nerve, which is the longest nerve in the body. The vagus nerve runs from the brainstem to the gut, and it carries information in both directions. For example, when you eat a meal, the vagus nerve sends signals from the gut to the brain, letting it know that food is present. In response, the brain sends signals back to the gut, triggering the release of digestive enzymes and hormones. In addition to the vagus nerve, the gut and the brain are connected through the release of hormones and neurotransmitters. For example, the gut produces several hormones, including ghrelin and leptin, which regulate hunger and satiety. These hormones signal the brain to either increase or decrease food intake, depending on the body's needs. Likewise, the brain produces neurotransmitters, such as serotonin and dopamine, which affect mood and behavior. These neurotransmitters are also found in the gut, where they play a role in regulating digestion and gut motility. So with depression, you have a higher number of bad bacteria that produce inflammatory chemicals, and send these inflammatory chemicals back to the brain, and they get distributed in the body. An ideal scenario is you should have a diverse population of bacteria strains. Even though the microbiome contains viruses and fungi, it's mostly bacteria. So what makes you a good versus bad bacteria? There are several things, including diets high in processed foods, sugar, red meat, and fast food promote the bad bacteria. Also, lots of medications, not just antibiotics, can change the population of your gut. Your age, as you get older, your bacteria population becomes less diverse. Your sleep. Bacteria are sensitive to circadian rhythm changes. So poor sleep promotes bad bacteria and increases inflammation. Aerobics activity also improves the diversity of your microbiome. The connection between having poor microbiome health and depression is so strong that research has shown that transplanting feces containing the bacteria from a non-depressed individual to a depressed individual can treat depression. Unfortunately, it's not practical to do fecal transplants because of the risk of transmitting infection. Plus, there's just something about having someone else's feces injected into your body that just isn't right, no pun intended. So until we have maybe an artificial option, you will have to boost your own gut health. So here are some suggestions on how you can improve your gut health. The first thing you need to do is to clean up your diet by eliminating or reducing processed foods, sugar, and red meat. The Mediterranean diet is a good choice to improve your gut health. This diet has been known for its various health benefits, including promoting good gut health. It is mainly composed of plant-based foods such as vegetables, fruits, legumes, nuts, and whole grains, along with moderate amounts of fish, poultry, and dairy. It also emphasizes the use of healthy fats such as olive oil, which is rich in polyphenols and monounsaturated fatty acids that have been shown to reduce inflammation and improve gut health. Research has suggested that the Mediterranean diet may promote the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, which can help improve digestion, strengthen the immune system, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Additionally, the diet is low in processed and refined foods that are high in sugar and unhealthy fats, which have been linked to various gastrointestinal disorders. The Mediterranean diet also includes fermented foods such as yogurt, kefir, and sauerkraut, which are excellent sources of probiotics that help support gut health by increasing the number of beneficial bacteria in the gut. These foods are also rich in prebiotics, which are indigestible fibers that act as food for the probiotics and promote their growth in the gut. Probiotics contain the actual bacteria that you ingest to increase the good population of bacteria. You can get them from your diet, or you can take capsules. It's always best to get important nutrients from your food rather than supplements. Because of the positive effect on your mental health, some people refer to probiotics as psychobiotics. It also matters when you take your probiotic supplements, you need to take them on an empty stomach before for your meal. This is because your stomach secretes acid as part of the digestive process to break down your food, and some bacteria are very resistant to acid. The most common good bacteria strains are bifidobacteria and lactobacilli. These can survive the stomach acid if they're not exposed to the acid for too long. So the bacteria containing food or pills need to move through your stomach as fast as possible so the bacteria isn't killed off by the acid. Movement through the stomach is fast when it's empty, since when you eat a heavy meal there's a backup as the food needs to be processed. So probiotics work best on an empty stomach or with a very light meal. The next thing you want to do is increase your aerobic exercise. The Department of Health and Human Services recommends 150 minutes of moderate exercise a week. You also need to set a consistent bedtime that allows you to get 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. Even if you've never been depressed or anxious, good gut health is important for overall health, including maintaining a proper weight.
Thank you for watching this video on healthy habits. We hope you found the information helpful and are motivated to make positive changes in your own health and wellness journey. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on all of our latest videos. We post new content every week, so there's always something new and exciting to learn. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. We love hearing from our viewers and always do our best to respond to your comments. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.